Hello and welcome to Herald TV News Bulletin with me, Orina. Within a span of 48 hours, the state witnessed a tragic string of fatalities as 7 deaths, including 6, were reported across the Salsett Taluka. 3 persons were injured. Of the total 7 deaths, 6 died in accidents, while 1 was crushed to death by a speeding train. 2 fatal accidents occurred in Kunkoli, 3 within the jurisdiction of the Maina Kurturi police, and 1 in Dargli in Perne Taluka. The train mishap was reported at Majorda.
Multiple accidents were reported on Sunday, each resulting in tragic outcomes across different areas in Goa. In the first incident near Sukalne, a collision between a scooter and a tempo led to the death of the tempo driver Bipin Oram, aged 26, with serious injuries sustained by cleaner Bipin Nair and minor injuries to the scooter rider. Another accident involved a fatal collision between a car driven by Casli Sinoy Rebello and a scooter, leading to the death of the scooter rider João Baptista Antonio Coutinho at Dongrin Junction in Nuve. The car driver faces charges under IPC sections. A motorcycle accident on the way from Margaon to Ponda resulted in the death of Nagraj Wadi, with his pillion rider Sadiq Muhammad Ahim surviving the self-accident. Krishnanath Bapaso suffered injuries in a collision near Boring Bridge and later succumbed to them at Goa Medical College, with the car driver facing charges for rash driving. Sunny Shirodkar lost his life in a hit-and-run accident at Kunkoli IDC, where the driver fled the scene. A case has been filed against the unidentified driver. At Dhargali, a 55-year-old Chandrakant Kamli lost his life after being hit by a speeding car while crossing the road. In a tragic incident, the Konkan Railway Police recovered the body of an unidentified woman besides the railway tracks in Majorda Church. The accident came to light at around 6:50 a.m. on Sunday when the station master of Majorda Railway Station alerted the police that a woman had been run over by a train. Upon reaching the scene, PSI Pritesh Kovekar and the police staff identified the deceased as Rosa Fernandez, a 77-year-old resident of Komswara, Majorda. Her identity was confirmed by her daughter, Vincentina Fernandez. The police registered a case under Section 174 of the CRPC for unnatural death. Maqbool Malgimani for Herald TV.
The Chief Minister, Dr. Pramod Sawant, called for streamlining external exams for repeat candidates and urged measures to curb fake certificates from other state boards. He emphasized educational reforms should prioritize skill development over job opportunities, aiming for holistic student growth. Sawant's focus on simplifying exams and promoting genuine achievements underscores Goa's commitment to enhancing its education sector. Sawant was speaking at the inauguration of the new GBSHSC building on Monday.
ह्या वेगवेगळ्याचो फायदोय घेवचो आणि खूब मोठ्या प्रमाणात फुडें वयचें. हातूंत करून हांव अशें म्हणना की सगळेच भुरगे 10th फर्स्ट क्लास येतले, पास जातले ना, थोडे भुरगे फेलूय जातले. पण फेल जाल्या त्याय भुरग्यांची चिंता आमी केल्या, कारण आज खंयच्याय गव्हर्मेंट जॉबात जर येतले आसत जाल्यार ताका 10th पास इज कमीत कमी जाय. म्हणजे मिनिमम क्वॉलिफिकेशन रिक्वायर्ड इज अ 10th पास. आणि ताका लागून आमी ITIची म्हणजे 10th फेल जालो आणि 1 year ITI जर तेणी केली वीच इज इक्विवेलंट टू 10th पास. हांवें कित्याक सांगलां, जे भुरगे 10th पास थंय जावंक शकना तांच्यांनी ITIक वयचें आणि मिनिमम 1 year ITI पास जावची, which is equivalent. We are treating in a government job which is equivalent to the 10th pass. Again, those who are 12th fail जाता किंवा 10th जावन जर त्यांनी 2 वर्साची ITI करीत जाल्यार which is again equivalent to the 12th pass. म्हणजे ते आमी ट्रीट करता. आणि म्हणून तर टेक्निकल एड्युकेशन, स्किल एड्युकेशन भुरग्यांक सगळ्यांकूच पुराय म्हणजे गोंयभर पेरंट्सांनी फोर्स करून तूं 10वीकूच बस हे करचे ऐवजी भुरग्यांक 10वीक जर पास जायना आसत जाल्यार ITIच्या माध्यमांतल्यान वचून आमी वेगवेगळी ऑप्शन दवरल्या. ताजेर तेंच्यांनी 10th आनी 12th पास हे दोनूय दिवपाची म्हाका दिसता गरज आसा. आणि हाच्याच बरोबर आमी वेगवेगळे स्किल्ड कोर्सीस ITIंतल्यान इंट्रोड्यूस करता. गोवा बोर्ड म्हणजे आपले गोल्डन जुबली सेलिब्रेट करपाक 50 वर्सां पुराय जावपाक फुडल्या वर्सा 25 50 वर्सां पुराय जाता. आणि 50 वर्सां पुराय जावच्या पयलीं आमी नवीन वास्तूत तुमकां शिफ्ट जावपाक दिलें. की पयलीं पळयताले वेरियस तुमी पिक्चर दाखयता आसतना पळयलें की ज्या बिल्डिंगेंत म्हणजे ज्यो फॅसिलिटीज नाशिल्ल्यो त्यो एडवान्स फॅसिलिटीज आतां ह्या बिल्डिंगेंत तुमच्या सगळ्यां कडेन आमी एवेलेबल करून दिल्या. त्या खातीर पेपर करेक्शन, पेपर सेटिंग्स ह्यो सगळ्यो गजाली ह्या आनी एग्जामिनेशन्स ह्या सगळ्या बिल्डिंगेंतल्यान आमी कंट्रोल करपाक शकतले.
Despite the government's declaration of Mandre, Morji, Ashwe and neighbouring areas as silent zones during the turtle nesting period, reports of loud night music persist, particularly near beachside clubs. Locals are raising questions about the blatant disregard for rules, especially during critical nesting season for turtles. Locals pointed out that turtles are drawn to these areas due to the soft sand but are being disturbed by noise. The issue has raised serious concerns about the enforcement of regulations, with locals expressing dissatisfaction over the lack of action by authorities despite directives from the High Court.
गव्हर्मेंटान आमच्या गोंयच्या गव्हर्मेंटान एक मांद्र्या, मोर्जी, आशव्या ह्यो एरिया एक सायलेंट झोन केला. सायलेंट झोन म्हणजे हेतून टर्टल नेस्टिंग असल्या कारणा खातीर ह्यो एक शेड्यूल आहा तेंचो. 1 ऑक्टोबर ह्या म्हयन्यान टर्टल्स येतात ऑन सी शोर आनी थंयसर तेंचे तांतयां घालतात. कित्याक हाली जी सेण आहा ती खूब मोव आहा, त्या कारणान खातीर एवरी इयर हांगासर टर्टल्स येतात, एक स्लेईंग करतात. कित्याक तो सायलेंट झोन म्हणून. आनी हे धांवणोवपाचें काम कोण करता? आमचे लोक न्हय, हे दिल्लीकार जे आहात ते फूल लावड म्युजीक इतकी लावड म्युजीक की हांगासर मोर्जे जर तेणी सिस्टम वाजयलो जाल्यार वागातर वायब्रेशन्स पावता. थंयसले कांय लोकांचे आमकां कॉल्स येतात की नॉयज पोल्युशन खंय चल्लां. आतांच टर्टल्स आजुनी लेट जाला, आजुनी येवंक ना. आनी हेवटेन DJ चालू आहा फूल ऑन. तांकां परमिशनां कोणी दिली कोण जाणा. सायलेंट झोनान 55 dBच्या वयर कांयच खंयची म्युजीक म्हणटा कोणीच परमिशन दिवंक जायना. आनी हेतून हायकोर्टान सुद्दां GSPCB गोवा स्टेट पोल्युशन कंट्रोल बोर्ड हेंकाय सुद्दां डायरेक्ट केला की स्ट्रिक्टली वॉर्निंग किंवा स्ट्रिक्टली मॉनिटर करा म्हणून, लायक TVS इव्हेंट, सनबर्न इव्हेंट. सो हेतून GSPCBन आपलो रोल आजून दाखोवंक ना. डेप्युटी कलेक्टर म्हणटा आपली रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लिमिटेड आहा. पुलीस ऑन सायड येता, स्टॉप करून वयतात, त्याच्या पयलीं तांकां खंयच्यान तरी इंटिमेशन्स पावता आनी ते म्युजीक बंद करतात आनी पुलीस गेले काय फूल ऑन चालू. हे फाटले 30 दीस एवरी डे मल्टिपल पर्सन्स, मल्टिपल इंडिविज्युअल्स कंप्लेन करीत आहा पुलिसां कडेन की सायलेंट झोन आहा, टर्टल नेस्टिंग आहा, बंद करा. तर हेंकां पयली गजाल आमचो गोवा गव्हर्मेंट करता कितें? इज टोटली फेलियर इन एनवायरमेंट एंड वायल्ड लायफ प्रोटेक्शन्स. आनी आमी हांगा मरण ओग्गी रावचे ना. आमी फुडली प्रोसिजर ऑलरेडी चालू केल्लेली आहा. हे जे एनवायरमेंट प्रोटेक्शन्स, टर्टल नेस्टिंग जी सायट डिक्लेअर केला, सायलेंट झोन जो डिक्लेअर केलेलो आहा, म्हाका दिसता सिस्टम वाट पळयत रावला की म्हणपाक की अरे ही सायट चुकोन लागलेली दिसता. सो हेका परत अमेंड करून हांगासर परत कायदे चेंज करपाक रावला दिसता. जर तुमकां सिस्टम सायलेंट झोन घालपाचेच ना जाल्यार ते कायद्यान हाडला कित्याक? आनी कायद्यान हाडला जाल्यार तेचे तुमी सिस्टम फॉलो कित्याक करिना? म्युजीक झोन म्हणटा तो पळय ह्यो मोर्जेन, ह्यो लावड म्युजीक झोन मे बी म्हाका दिसता गव्हर्मेंटान सर्टिफायड केला ह्यो एरिया. आनी हे पळय ह्यो एंटी सोशल हे पब आहा, हे लावड म्युजीक झोनाला आमचे तुमकां मोर्जे मेळटले.
Depositors lodged a complaint with the PI Economic Offence Cell at the Altino office against the Ashtagandha Urban Cooperative Credit Society. The complainants, all Indian citizens who had invested their savings in the society, alleged severe mismanagement in its operations. According to the complainants, the society, under the leadership of the chairman and board of directors along with their associates, reportedly mismanaged funds and disregarded established protocols for loan approvals, leading to the misappropriation of invested funds. The alleged financial irregularities involve an amount exceeding rupees 8 crores, marking it as a significant financial scam perpetrated by the accused individuals and their associates.
गोरगरिबांचे पैसे अडकलेले आसा, ते पैसे आमकां परत मेळपाक जाय. आमकां भितरले काय पडलेले ना. जर आमचे पैसे आमकां जर परत मेळटा आमी सगळे विथड्रॉ करता, कशें करता. पण तेच काम ते करिना. ह्या खातीर सरकारान, सीएमान, कोऑपरेटिव्ह मिनिस्टरान जातीन लक्ष घालपाचें आनी हे आमकां 15 दिसां भितर खरो म्हणजे जो निकाल लागपाक जाय. तेंचेर ज्या कोणें हे चोरी केल्ली आसा, जेणे पैसे खाल्लेले आसा, तेंचेर एक्शन जावची ही आमची कळकळीची विनंती.
एक्शन जावंक जाय की कोणे हे चोरी केले, कित्याक ते लोकांचे पैसे, तांचे पैसे न्हय. ताणें सगळे लोकांचे पैसे बुडयल्यात आनी सगळ्यांच्या आपल्या फायद्या खातीर ताणें सगळे फ्रॉड केला. एज पर द बाय लॉज सुद्दां आसा जे सोसायटीचे आशिल्ले त्या प्रमाणे तांणी लोन ग्रांट करूं ना. तांणी एक्सीड केल्या तांचो पावर आनी लोन ग्रांट केल्या. हे सगळे डॉक्युमेंट्स आसा सोसायटीन वीच द एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर हॅज पावर्स टू कॉल फॉर एंड चेक एंड व्हेरीफाय. सो ते सगळे चॅक करता की ही हॅज इमिजिएट पावर्स टू रजिस्टर हिज कंप्लेंट. सो ते आमी ताका परत दरख्वास्त करता एडमिनिस्ट्रेटराक आनी आतां इवन इकॉनॉमिक सेलाचो PI की इमिजिएटली एक्शन घेवचे आणि इमिजिएटली FIR रजिस्टर करचे एज पर प्रोसिजर ऑफ लॉ आणि इमिजिएटली एक्शन घे आणि सगळ्या लोकांचे जे पैसे बुडयल्यात आणि तांचे सगळ्यांक पैसे मेळोवचे.
टोटल अमाउंट कितली आहा ती?
आता करंटली 8 कोटी आमचो अमाउंट जाता. आनीकूय लोक असतले, इट मे बी मोर दॅन दॅट, पण आमचे जे अमाउंट आमी जे सगळ्यांचे जे हे लोक आसात तांचे टोटल अमाउंट केल्या ते जवळ 8 ते 9 कोटी जाता, विच इज नॉट अ स्मॉल अमाउंट.
Airfares to Goa have plummeted significantly just before the festive season. This drastic drop in prices has raised eyebrows and left many pondering over the reasons behind the apparent reluctance of travellers to flock to Goa during the usually bustling Christmas and New Year period. In this edition of Street Voices, Team Herald spoke to several people, especially tourism stakeholders, to know their opinion on what they think is the reason for people being put off from coming to Goa in the Christmas and New Year season.
We leave no stone unturned to get to the concerns of the people and the issues they want to raise. It's your voice on your platform, Herald TV.
The main reason for this situation is mainly because the rates in Goa, the hotel rates, especially in the 5-star category, are very high, and which dissuades people from coming to Goa. We must always remember that other destinations, whether it's in India or outside India, are far cheaper than Goa. And this is, I would say, the main reason why we are seeing empty seats during the peak season coming into Goa. So we will have to really seriously make a note of this to avoid losing business in this peak period. Even the people who come for sunburn, they must have booked their tickets well in advance. They must have got special deals, special rates. But now when the main season, when every one of us, whether it's a taxi driver, whether it's a shack owner, can make some good business, and they depend in this week, for the coming 2 weeks, to make some money, if there are no number of tourists, it will hit everyone very badly across Goa.
I think sadly there's been a lot of uncertainty on Goa. There's been so much of unpleasant information doing the rounds. People are not sure about what's happening. People are not sure of the party life. Hotel rates have gone really high for that 1 week because hotels today in Goa, besides the corporate and wedding business, hotels have really not done very great business. So they were all trying to get the benefit, I think, during Christmas, New Year. So rates went up. Also, people are scared of the crowds in Goa, and it's like a double-edged sword now. And because of the fear of crowds and inability to travel and do what you want in Goa, a lot of people are in two minds. Also, Thailand, Sri Lanka, Malaysia have opened up their visa system, so there's no visa needed. You're getting decent fares to go to these places, which were same as what the fares were to Goa earlier. But now people have opted, and it's come closer to date, and people are realized, and I think that we are realizing that Goa doesn't have that much demand for several reasons. One of them is not too great publicity. Secondly is the not being sure of exactly what's happening by way of music events and festivals for that crowd. And thirdly is the pricing. So that's the reason why it's taken a big drop. And I think we really need to do some promotion and advertising and make sure we go out of our way to build our brand Goa. This was our brand. This was our week every year to build brand Goa. We can't let go of that opportunity.
A lot of people used to come to Goa for last minute travel, especially domestic tourists. Now they have the option of going to any other tourist place in their neighboring states. So they all are going there. So that may be one of the reasons. Secondly, the people have been traveling to Goa quite often because of the during COVID time. So maybe there is a little bit splurge because of that. Thirdly, because of the overall economic situation wherein the elections are also coming in. So if you see the trends, people travel less. But one thing is good that the people have the industry has understood the dynamics of it and have it may be the airline, it may be the hotel industry, they have start dropping the pricing, which will help in filling up the rooms, and I'm sure the hotels will go full near the day. Secondly, we have this international branded event which will be happening now, because there was no clarity much on that, but I think now it is happening from 28, 29, 30th, event like Sunburn, which attracts a lot of crowd into Goa, which helps in filling up the small hotels and gives flips to the all the verticals of the industry.
Angry residents in Verla Kanka have taken action by locking up the Panchayat building, upset over the absence of the secretary and BDO at a scheduled meeting. The gathering was intended to address crucial development initiatives within the village. The Sarpanch has accused the secretary of remotely overseeing Panchayat operations through a private CCTV installed at her residence, highlighting her infrequent presence at the office.
विलेज डेव्हलपमेंट कमिटीची मिटींग आसली आनी बाकीचे सगळे कमिटी तांकां आमी इन्फॉर्म केल्लें एक्चुअली मिटींग अशी आसा की 19 डिसेंबराच्या पयलीं जावंक जाय कित्याक ते GPDP प्लॅन आसता न्ही आमचो तेतून सगळे हे मागीर प्रपोजलां मागीर एड जाता म्हणून आयच्या दिसांनी मिटींग जावंक जाय आसली म्हणून सगळ्या कमिटींक आमी आयज हांगासर इन्फॉर्म केल्लें यो म्हणून म्हटल्यार आयज सेक्रेटरीच येवंक ना सकाळीं म्हणून ही मिटींग कॅन्सल जाली.
फाटल्या दिसांनी आमी पळयलें जेन्ना वेला काणकोण तुमच्या पंचायतीन जेन्ना ग्रामसभा चालवल्ल्यो ग्रामसभेकूय सेक्रेटरी प्रेजंट नासली आनी आयजूय प्रेजंट नासली.
तेन्ना सेक्रेटरी आसली ऑब्जर्वर
नासलो पूण
म्हणजे हे कितें आसा आमी सदींच व्हिडिओ इन्फॉर्म करता पण व्हिडिओ कांय एक्शन घेना. आतां सुद्दां आमी सकाळच्यान फोन करता ताका तो फोन रिसीव करिना. तेणे एक्चुअली दुसरो कोणी स्टाफ धाडूंक जाय आसलो न्ही मिटींग कन्वे करपाक म्हटल्यार तेणें आजून पर्यंत तरी आमकां फोनूय करूंक ना आनी कांयच सांगूना आमकां काय.
एज पर सरपंचान आमकां विलेज डेव्हलपमेंट कमिटीची ती चॅरपर्सनूय आहा तितूनसून आमकां एक लेटर काडलें. हांव बायोडायवर्सिटी चॅरमॅन आसा सो गांवाची प्लॅनिंग करपाक जाय की कशें कितें फुडलें प्रोग्रेस कितें आहा पळय खंय स्टक जाता आनी तुमकां कशें कितें जाय गांवान हें जाल्लें उदरगत जाल्ली ताचेर आमी सगळ्या कमिटींक आपयल्या आनी डिस्कशन आसतलें सो येवचें पळय त्या प्रमाणे आमकां थर्सडे ती म्हाका लेटर गावलें तेंचें आनी लेटर गावल्या उपरांत आयज मंडे कॉल आवट केली 18 तारखेक सो त्या प्रमाणे आमी आयज आयले 11 सुमार टायमींग दिली 11 ते जवळ जवळ आजून ताका आमी हांगा उबी आसा आमकां रिक्वेस्ट केली तेंच्यानी रावा म्हणून कितें येतलें म्हणून पळय जाल्यार हांगासर सेक्रेटरीच ना पंचायतीक या जेन्ना वेर्ला काणकोण पंचायतीन केन्नाय जर आमी आयली जाल्यार सेक्रेटरीच आसना. लोकांची इतर जे आमचे गांवचे लोक आसा तेंकाय येवन परत परत हेल्पाडे मारचे पडटा आनी वयचे पडटा.
The Women and Child Development WCD department is facing scrutiny over its apparent delay in establishing a residence for children below 18 years with mental disabilities. Claims suggest a proposal from the prior Child Welfare Committee CWC might have been overlooked or dismissed by the Deputy Director, causing a hold-up in the process. Street Providence expressed willingness to set up psychiatric homes for these children. Additionally, regarding shelters for youth aged 18 to 21, Street Providence has set a deadline until Wednesday, indicating their intent to protest if the WCD doesn't act. Street Providence asserts that the department holds up required funds to set up shelters or rehabilitation homes for youth.
21-22 scheme, and as of now the file is still in the office. That means it has not moved. So I will wait either for today or I will wait for Wednesday as the CM has assured. Failing which we will be back with 40 people, 40 ladies in the Women and Child Department, and this time we will not take them. The second issue is what I want to raise is, in the due course of time we have found a lot of youth are coming to us between the age of 19, 21, 22, 23. And I have discovered that there is no shelter home, no rehabilitation program or no program for them across Goa because Women and Child Department has not moved a file and not got this project implemented after having funds for this particular project for the youth between the age of 18 to 21. I am having in my home children 19, 20, 21, 22, and it is disturbing that because of substance abuse, because of alcohol, they have lost their mind. CWC says that they have a good facility at Apnagar for children below 18 if they are suffering from psychiatric disorders or alcohol, but nobody comes into that home for various reasons. Into that home and they are getting psychiatric by the age of 19, 20, 21, then the load is going to come on the shelter homes. If the load is going to come on the shelter homes, how does a shelter home look after a child between the age of 19 to 23 when you know that the child is taking 6, 8, 9 tablets, having disability and no repair, and this is basically ladies they are having. So if the CWC and the Women and Child Department, I'm not claiming CWC, I'm saying Women and Child Department has the funds. Women and Child Department should know what are the issues on the ground. They should make the provisions before the year ends to say we require so many homes for this, we require so many homes for that, we require so many homes for that. Now, if nobody is bothered, then this is the state we are going to reach. So I am going to take youth, I am going to take middle-aged ladies, I am going to take elderly ladies. Who is going to fund us? Another issue is they should be separate homes for children below 18 who require rehabilitation and who are suffering from mental disabilities due to alcohol and drug abuse. Yes, people will say the child should not be separated from the parents, which I also agree. But if the parents are poor, they cannot look after the child is getting aggressive, the child is getting destructive. In few years' time, the parent will abandon the child will lose the mind and reach the street. This is where the homeless is coming from. The homeless is not coming from outside where psychiatric is concerned. Beggars are separate, psychiatric is separate.
In a distressing incident, a 24-year-old woman from Bichuli was subjected to a vicious assault by 3 men from Kolwale following a road rage altercation. Kolwale police have taken action by filing a first information report FIR against the alleged perpetrators identified as Pankaj Salgaonkar, Devan Temkar and Pankar Sadekar. The victim, who sustained severe head and facial injuries, is currently hospitalized as a result of the ruthless attack. The rescue vans belonging to the Women and Child Development Department are allegedly lying unused, gathering dust despite their intended purpose. The revelation has raised concerns about the efficiency of resource utilization within the department. Contrary to these claims, Sangeeta Parab, the Director of Women and Child Development, has countered the allegations by asserting that the rescue vans are indeed in use.
मॅडम तुमची ती ऑफिसात सकयल 2 तो रेस्क्यू व्हॅन आहा खबर आहा व्हॅन
हय
हय तो मॅडम तो यूज करिना तुमी ते धुल्लो बिल्लो बसला म्हणजे लाईंग अनयूज कशे दिसता त्यो
ना रे सगळे आमचे ते काम सारखे चालू आहा म्हणटा हे जाल्लेले आहा
म्हणजे यूज करता त्यो
यूज करता आमी
ना पूण मॅडम ती अशी दिसता पयल्या उपरांत की यूज करिना कशी दिसता म्हणून
ना 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 ना
ओके ओके बरें
Preparations for the upcoming Christmas festivities are well underway in Panjim as residents eagerly gear up for the season of celebrations. On Monday, the city witnessed a surge in activity as locals were spotted purchasing an array of vibrant Christmas decorations. The streets bustled with excitement as people eagerly sought out ornaments and adornments, signaling the spirited atmosphere heralding the much-awaited holiday. The fervour for Christmas is palpable as Panjim decks itself out in festive splendour, embracing the joyous anticipation of the approaching holiday.
Preparations for the upcoming Christmas festivities are well underway in Panjim as residents eagerly gear up for the season of celebration. On Monday, the city witnessed a surge in activity as locals were spotted purchasing an array of vibrant Christmas decorations. The streets bustled with excitement as people eagerly sought out ornaments and adornments, signaling the spirited atmosphere heralding the much-awaited holiday. The fervour of Christmas is palpable as Panjim decks itself out in festive splendour on embracing the joyous anticipation of the approaching holiday.
जे एवरी इयर येता पळय क्रिसमसाक तेन्ना सगळे तेच आयटम आयला पण तातूंत एडिशनली न्यू कशें की स्नोमॅन अशे न्यू टायप स्नोमॅन्स न्यू येयला मागीर बेल्स येयला बॉल्स न्यू टायप्साचे येयला ताका म्हणटा बॉल मागीर पळय रेंडियर एक केला बरो सॉफ्ट येतो रेंडियर येयला ताका लायटी दिला येता न्यू लायट्स पेट्टा येता सगळ्याक पयलीं आसनासलेले तशें आतां लायटी दिला एंजल्स येयला बॉलान येयला मागीर न्यू बेल्स येयला स्नोमॅन्स अशें येयला व्हडली व्हडली बॅली येयला ते भायर हांवें डिस्प्ले केला तुमी जाल्यार मागीर ते करूं शकता लोकांक आनी टेबलार दवरपाक तांकां न्यू टायप चॅरीचे हे पॉट्स येयला समथींग न्यू
किती प्रायसीस आहा तुमचे
रेंज क्रिसमस ट्री तुका 4 फीट टू 10 फीट पत्र येयला तुका बुशी दॅट्स अमेरिकन बुशी म्हणून म्हणटा ताका बरी बुशी ट्रीज येयला तेची प्रायसींग लास्ट इयर जे प्रायस आसलेले ते अंदूय सेम उरता प्रायस काय वाडोंक ना एक्चुअली आसा तेच प्रायसींग तेच कंप्लीट आसा रेंज स्टार्ट आहा तुका 2400 चालू आहा 4 फीट अमेरिकन बुशी म्हणटात ती सगळ्या आनी तुका लो क्वॉलिटीचे बी दवरला आमी ते 1200ची मेळटा तुका
सगळ्यान हायस्ट कितले व्हडले
10 फीट आसा तुका 15,600 तेच अमेरिकन बुशी ओनली हां घेता म्हणल्यार चड बुशी ती सारकी बरी दिसता म्हाका तशें मागीर ते गालन्स येयला रनर येयला तुका नेवे तेका डेकोरेटेड रनर म्हणटा ते ते 1250 आसा ताका आनी नॉर्मल ट्रेन्सिला ते 50 रुपीज 60 रुपीज ते एवरी इयर प्रायजीस सेमूच आसा आनी न्यू डेकोरेशन जे फॅन्सी आयटम म्हणटा ते हँडमेड अशे कार्स अशे हो देखून न्यू आयटम मेरी क्रिसमस हे सगळे हँडमेड प्लेस टायप करायचे तुका मोस्टली पेंजीमूच गावता पेंजीम मार्केटात कशे डिफरंट टायप बाकी ते नॉर्मल लोकली आसा आयटम्स सगळे.
Upendra Naik for Herald TV.
And in some sports news, in a display of sheer dominance, Kurturi Gymkhana secured a remarkable 7-1 win against UC Thalauli during a reverting Goa Football Association Second Division League match. The electrifying encounter unfolded at the Don Bosco Rotary Grounds this past Sunday, witnessing Kurturi Gymkhana's exceptional performance.
Kurturi Gymkhana's offensive prowess was on full display as they found the back of the net 7 times, showcasing their attacking strength. Sunil Katkar emerged as the standout performer, scoring an impressive 4 goals. Contributing to the team's victory, Joswin Draven Cardozo, Folly Dias and Jocelyn Fernandez each added a goal to the scoreboard. Despite the commanding lead by Kurturi Gymkhana, UC Thalauli managed to secure a solitary goal, credited to Einstein Adam Furtado, displaying a resilient effort amid the dominant play by Kurturi. The match highlighted Kurturi Gymkhana's strong attacking strategy and effective coordination, securing a convincing win and affirming their competitive edge in the GFA's Second Division League.
That's all we have in today's news bulletin. Thanks for watching Herald TV News. For more news and alerts, please follow us on Herald on Facebook and Twitter. Take care and goodbye.